All right, back with another video, man. Please share, like, new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss any videos. So yesterday I posted a video about attorneys, and I felt it would be only right that I give you the other side of the narrative. I have one child. I fathered one child. I have nobody claiming that, they gave me some nookie and I am the father of their child. I have one child. I have a woman that went to court and tried everything in the book to get me to scream, "Why are you doing this? Why? I'm a father. Why? Why are you doing this?" But because I'm a man and I was taught by a man, all the stuff that was happening to me, I just went to school law, educated myself, and then I started giving them pushback. During my ignorance to the process, this is why I started this organization and do what I do. In between there was a lot of wars and a lot of battles that I was fighting based on my bravery as opposed to my intellect. And Atia LaShawn Bradley, we were living in Pennsylvania, where the case started in Pennsylvania. Atia LaShawn Bradley then moved to New Jersey. The child support division in Pennsylvania transferred the case, but left it open. When it got to New Jersey, they opened it, they took it, or they didn't open it, but they accepted it, and I was paying child support in New Jersey. Well, Pennsylvania was still saying, you owe us child support too. Two different amounts, two different arrear amounts. Atia LaShawn Bradley took advantage of this. Atia LaShawn Bradley told me I got nothing to do with the case in Pennsylvania. I got locked up 3 times. Every time I got locked up, Atia LaShawn Bradley popped up out of nowhere to testify, "No, I'm not getting any money." Now, one day I seen Atia LaShawn Bradley's car on the side of the road in Pennsylvania. If anybody know about Pennsylvania, you can go 5 miles and don't see nothing. Worried that my daughter was with her, I called Atia LaShawn Bradley for 2 days. She never got back to me. But yet when the courts called her, because I went to court, they didn't know I was coming there. I went to court. They locked me up saying that I owed child support. Atia LaShawn Bradley popped up to testify. But guess as to the reason as to why I went to court. I had custody of my child. And I went to court asking them, while my child was with me, why are y'all still charging me for child support? They locked me up for non-payment. Atia LaShawn Bradley came and testified. Atia LaShawn Bradley then came to court and told the people in court, I didn't ask for it to be transferred, so it needs to stay here. Yet you getting child support on me in New Jersey. I stuck with my guns. I did not allow them to wait. I left there, didn't pay a dime. I called an attorney. I spoke to the paralegal. The paralegal then transferred me to the attorney. The attorney said, they're hitting you both ways. I explained to them what was happening. I explained to them what was going on. The attorney said, yeah, but here's the deal, y'all. The attorney said there's nothing they can do because the mother has to be the one to close the case. But yet they transferred it to New Jersey. I then went to New Jersey. New Jersey said, no, they transferred it here. Here's the date. Here's the arrearages amount when they did transfer it. I don't know why they doing that. That's when I called the attorney after I got all that information. What do you think the attorney did for me? The attorney said, wow, if I take this case, I'm going to go in there and I'm going to actually get a win for a father. Wow, they'll blackball me and then all of my clients will lose in my other adventures. I'm just trying to get extra money for child support and custody hearing. That just pays my car note. I'm not getting, I can't. That attorney told me, I was explaining to him. Then he said, yeah, I get it. They're hitting you on both ends is what he said. He said, send me $400 and I'll get the case closed for you. A week later, I called back. In addition to that, I emailed him. I said, could you give me the retainer amount never gave me any retainer amount, never got back to me. I spoke to my dad about it. My dad said, here's what you do. File a lawsuit against Atia LaShawn Bradley. And don't put it against the caseworker, which was Mary Jo in the Monroe County Family Court. Don't put it against them. Put the lawsuit against the county and Atia LaShawn Bradley. People, I'm going to tell y'all something. I drafted up a federal lawsuit. In that federal lawsuit, I started it off and I said this. Atia LaShawn Bradley is the only woman on this planet that it has 2 child support cases, but only has 1 child. Atia LaShawn Bradley is really committing fraud because she is popping up at hearings over here, and she's also popping up at hearings in Pennsylvania. She's also popping up at hearings in New Jersey. I've been trying to get this case closed for 7 years to no avail. People, I filed that lawsuit. 11 days later, Atia LaShawn Bradley closed the case. Do you think that was a coincidence? It was something that I did, and attorneys would not help me. You can ask them. Call an attorney and give them a fictionary tale of what I just said. Call an attorney and say, yeah, I'm from Tennessee and I moved to Arkansas. Tennessee transferred the case over here to Arkansas, but my child's mom still hit me over there. See what that attorney tell you. That attorney will tell you, well, the mother has to close it. You see, as I told y'all earlier, an attorney will not, when your constitutional rights is violated, an attorney will not help you. Another thing, call an attorney and ask them, have you ever filed a constitutional rights violation against any judge in family court? You hear thousands of fathers saying it, but you can't get one attorney on record to say they filed it. You're looking at a person that did. You're looking at them, and I'm not an attorney. Like, share, and subscribe, y'all. Catch you on the next one.